Why is it that no action has been taken against various leaders, and I'm specifically talking about leaders of the AIMIM who have been caught on camera raising inflammatory slogans? You took a very stern action against the erstwhile BJP MLA who is now suspended from the party, rightly so perhaps, but what about others?
I've been following the CNN News 18 from the past 1 hour. I think there is a biased opinion which is coming out. We have to compare Apple with Apple, I think so. So Mr. Raja Singh, who is a member of Legislative Assembly member, and he's a floor leader for the BJP, whereas the other side we are talking about some unknown person or maybe some corporator, I don't understand. For the Telangana government, the government's law and order has been intact from the time Telangana KCR sir has been taken over the government. For that fact, in this April, during the Ramzan season, we have arrested an MIM corporator named Mohammad Ghausuddin during Ramzan season for making a derogatory comments towards a policeman. So there is nobody who will be spared who tries to damage the complete big image of the Hyderabad, which is a global city. Which is going towards a global city.
You alleged a bias in our coverage. I deny that. And I will deny that with a simple question to you. Will the culpability of a particular person be decided on the basis of whether they are an MLA or a corporator? Is that even a tenable argument in law or in morality?
No, that is what not I meant. I meant that he had 101 criminal cases on him, out of which 18 are of hate speeches. And we are talking about somebody who we don't even know and we don't recognize in Hyderabad. So, and definitely that person is also taken into custody 100%. And just now I saw that MIM spokesperson also said that from the party side also they will be taking action. So I don't think there is anybody who will be spared in this scenario right now.
No, it's good that you're saying nobody will be spared. And in fact, for the last 2 days, we have had the spokesperson from your party. And each time I've raked up this issue as an anchor, they have said that, please be patient, we are going to take some action. But no action has really come in. Whether somebody is from AIMIM or the Congress party or from your own party or from the BJP, how does it matter? They're disturbing the law and order. They're disturbing the image of Hyderabad. The Ganga Jamuni Tehzeeb that everybody talks about. Take action. These are people who are caught on camera.
See, Telangana has been a role model in law and order taking actions. We have seen Nayum encounter and you have seen Disha's case also. This Telangana, and recently also in the last month, we have gone the biggest command control in India. Law and order is very strict in Hyderabad because this is a cosmopolitan city. We are neighbors with Muslims, we are neighbors with Punjabis, we are neighbors with a lot of people here. Hyderabad is a very peaceful city. And in a saddening, awakening thing, what happened from the past 2 days, it is so saddening being a Hyderabadi that we have to face a curfew after 8 years. And the persons who are really directly, who have made that derogatory marks are Raja Singh himself, who is a member of Legislative Assembly. And how can that be even tolerated? I don't understand.
All right.
And we are talking about a great city who has been performing well in all aspects, including the best global companies are also having the biggest campus in Hyderabad.
No, before I go to my other guests, my one more question to you, because you've not answered my question. You speak about the wonderful culture of Telangana, Hyderabad, and yes, all Indians celebrate that culture. That is irrespective of what is happening right now. These are untoward instances. Raja Singh, what he said is condemnable and criminal. You've taken action against him. But people who use these comments, come out on the streets, do dharna, take law and order into their own hands, chant terror slogans, what are you going to do against them?
You have to follow the story what happened. After Raja Singh was released on a bail, there was an allegation which started. And we are clearly mentioning that nobody will be spared who damages or tarnishes the image of Hyderabad. It doesn't matter about any party. And our chief minister has mentioned that if a complaint comes on my son or daughter also, they will be taken action. So it is a very strict and stern government which is in Telangana. So we need not worry about if it is an MIM party.
You have not answered my question. Kalimul Hafiz Saab